All right, y'all, super exciting day over here at the new garden space. Jarrett over here has got his tiller. He's gonna help me get started on doing the initial till on this space. We're gonna do an initial till as this was like a big brushy area prior. And we are going to start with this small section you can see that I've had tarped up. I had no idea that some of those things that were growing up were gonna be pink. It really surprised me. But this whole space from here all the way back to there is eventually going to be garden spaces. However, this year is crazy busy. This year is wild, and sometimes you've just got to know yourself, know your limits, and work accordingly. So I am planting the front garden where it is, and I'll be doing this space, that full length, this year, and then we will add on as we can, and I will move that garden come winter time over here once we get things a little bit done. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet, take a step back, reevaluate, and do what's manageable, because doing what's manageable and that you can actually do well is gonna have far more success than if I were to just till all this up, throw stuff in the ground, and then I'm never able to manage it. It's gonna get way overrun with weeds. It's just not gonna get taken care of the way it should be. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. You can kind of check some of this out, and I'll be back with you in a bit. Louisiana, mud and clay right there. So you can see we got our first initial till done. We are going to come back tomorrow and try to add some dirt from these piles over here to get this area really level. And then we'll have one row across the back right here, and then the rows will go this way. We'll have a walkway in between, and we'll carry on the rows this way. And I'm super excited. We're probably gonna have to cover this with some type of like fabric, some of the like black fabric the first year, because it's gonna be a nightmare. Just after that initial till, we can just tell that it's gonna be real grassy, real weedy. So we're gonna have to do something to cover. I do have leaves. I've got more leaves that I'm gonna add, but I don't know that it just won't be enough. So we're gonna cover it this first year, then we'll come back and add compost and the leaves next year, and hopefully we won't need that cover after that. And I'm really excited. Do not be afraid to scale the plans back, rein them in. This is still all eventually going to be gardens. It's just not all going to be gardens this year, but it will one day.